Izigameko ezinje ezithole ukugxekwa kakhulu iIEC lapha abalandeli beANC babezama ukuvimba umholi weEFF ukuthi angangeni esikhungweni sokuvota ngempelasonto yokubhalisela ukuvota. Ngomgomo olawula ukuziphatha kwamaqembu ngenkathi kubhekwe okhethweni, iCommission ithi inethemba lokuthi azokwazi ukulandela lo mgomo.
The IP, like other political parties that are contesting 2021 local government election, would like to take this opportunity to sign a pledge or a peace pledge as part of effort to reaffirm its commitment to peaceful campaigns and upholding peace before and during after 2021 local government elections.
As the African National Congress, the ANC, we stand here today to pledge our solemn commitment to honor yet another important chapter in the consolidation and strengthening of democracy.
As the ATM, we are the servants of peace, and we do understand that we need to work together with everyone.
ICommissioner ithi ithemba ukuthi amaqembu azokwazi ukubekezelelana ngaphambi kokhetho.
We also would, as the Commission, take a moment to indicate that we do condemn, and we condemn the contempt it deserves, what we see as a phenomenon nationally and otherwise, where we see loss of lives, people being either assassinated, killed or attacked for their political stand.
ICommissioner yokhetho ithi yenza konke okusemandleni ukulungisa izikhungo zokuvota. Londi Khatebe, SABC News eThekwini.